The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, north central Charles County in southern Maryland, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Washington, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Clinton, Fort Washington, Fort Hunt, Groveton, Fort Belvoir, Hyba Valley, St. Charles, Mount Vernon, Accokeek, Bryan's Road, Brandywine, Pomfret, Tantallon, and Northwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.